Let's do a quick demo of how to install and setting up Node.js. The Node.js. If you want to install the Node.js, you can search in Google Node.js download. It is going to take you to the Node.js download page. So here we have long-term support and the latest release. So the latest one was 20.9, and if you want to, based upon your OS, Windows, Mac or Linux, based upon that you can choose whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit. Once you click, it will allow you to download. You can go and download it. Once it is downloaded, you can click on the installer. It will start installing the Node.js. Currently it is computing the space requirements. Next, you have to accept the license agreement. Proceed with next. Go with the default path for installation. I don't want additional components. So once you click on install, it will start installing the Node.js into your system. As I already have Node.js installed, I'm not going to proceed. Is installed, you can confirm by clicking on Node on the start command prompt and see Node.js command prompt and Node.js. Both of them should be available. This is how Node.js command prompt will look like. You can click on the Node.js runtime here. And here you should be able to execute JavaScript code. I am trying to declare one variable x equal to 10. And I'll say x. Now I'll say x plus 20. So this is a JavaScript runtime. You will be able to execute the JavaScript code.